Did you know Jesus once faced a man so terrifying that no chain could hold him? When Jesus stepped off the boat in Gerasene territory, a naked man came screaming from the tombs. This wasn't just any man. He had supernatural strength that broke every chain and shackle the townspeople tried to use. Day and night, his screams echoed through the graveyard as he cut himself with sharp stones. No one could control him. But when he saw Jesus, something incredible happened. The demons inside him cried out, "What do you want with us, Jesus, Son of the Most High God? Please don't torment us." Then came their strangest request. They begged Jesus to let them enter a nearby herd of 2,000 pigs. Jesus agreed. Suddenly, the entire herd rushed down the steep cliff into the sea and drowned. When the townspeople arrived, they found the man sitting calmly, fully clothed, and completely healed. But instead of celebrating, they were so terrified that they begged Jesus to leave their region immediately.